shift our focus to poll-bound West Bengal, and a lot is happening there as well. AIMIM, led by Asaduddin Owaisi, has officially stepped into the state's political scene, announcing an alliance with former TMC leader Humayun Kabir, the controversial Humayun Kabir. Yes. Announcing this move from the party headquarters in Hyderabad, Owaisi had said that AIMIM is expanding its footprint nationwide, with its focus now on upcoming Bengal elections. However, this alliance has already triggered a big controversy, particularly over past remarks linked to Humayun Kabir. Now, according to the details that we have, Owaisi launched a sharp attack on Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, accusing her or her government of injustice towards Muslims over the cancellation of OBC certificates for lakhs of community members. Listen in.
और ये सिर्फ इस चुनाव के हद तक नहीं है, बल्कि ये अलायंस आगे भी जाएगा, हम आगे भी मिलकर काम करेंगे और इस मकसद के तहत एक ऑब्जेक्टिव लेकर हम जनता के दरमियान में जा रहे हैं और हमारे को यकीन है कि इंशाअल्लाह हम अपने इस पॉलिटिकल ऑब्जेक्टिव में कामयाबी हासिल करेंगे।
मेरा गठबंधन करके बड़ा भाई बन के उनको सदस्य बन के नहीं चुनाव में उतरेंगे। मेरा कौन है, कौन उम्मीदवार है, कितना सीट में है, उनका कौन सीट में है, वो फैसला मैं रात में ले लिया और रात में जो फैसला हुआ बड़ा भाई को साथ सलाह परामर्श करके तो वही निर्णय रहेगा। भाई मेरा को साथ कम से कम 20 रैली के शामिल होंगे मेरा साथ। अरे गठबंधन टूटेगा नहीं कभी, जितना दिन जिंदगी रहेगी नहीं या पॉलिटिक्स में रहेंगी।
Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh, who's joining us live at this point in time. Rajesh, tell us a little bit about the possible impact this Kabir Owaisi, alliance could really have on the upcoming elections. Do you think this has the potential to eat into the minority votes that, perhaps go towards TMC usually?
Well, Humayun Kabir is expecting to influence minority votes and to give a counter to the state ruling party about their influence among Muslim voters in the state of West Bengal, because we have 27% vote bank which is directly involved with the Muslim vote bank. But now Humayun Kabir is trying to influence that particular vote bank which was with the ruling party Trinamool Congress since the day one. And Humayun Kabir is also expecting to give candidates to all the constituencies across the state of West Bengal, along with the strength of AIMIM, and his expanding his party across the state. And today he has already announced that they will fight together. They will conduct, they will launch at least 20 road shows and rallies in several districts of West Bengal, along with the AIMIM leader Asaduddin Owaisi. But now TMC is now saying that there is no hide and seek. It's now official, it's now public that he was playing with Muslim cards. He was doing polar appeasement politics, as well as he's trying to get the attention of Muslim vote bank.
All right. Thank you, Rajesh. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on this particular story.